Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. How are we doing on Monday, May 4th, 2020? 5-4-20. Yay! Guess what tomorrow is? It's a special day. It's a holiday. We still have school though, but maybe I can do something a little bit fun for it. I'll let you think. I'm not going to tell you till tomorrow morning what tomorrow is. Anyways, how's everyone doing today? Did everyone have a really good weekend? It was pretty warm this weekend. Who went swimming? Anyone go swimming or hiking or biking or doing yard work? Anything like that? Anything fun? Well, I know. I want to share a hobby that I've picked up. I don't know if I'm going to stick with this hobby. I tried something new. So I got this thing. I'm not sure what they're called. It's something with diamonds, but they're not real diamonds. But it's like, so it's this artwork. Let me lift up the protective sheet. I'm not done with it yet. This is taken forever. So, like up here, it has a picture. So this is the top part that I have left. So it has like numbers and letters. It's almost kind of like paint by numbers, except for you put these little tiny beads. Let me see if I can get up close. They're like little tiny beads on top of these letters and numbers. Oh, my kids are ready for me to be done with it. So am I. But it's something I wanted to try. See if it helps me relax. And, you know, just something different. I've never tried this before. And I kept seeing commercials and stuff about it. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and order myself one. And I'm never going to order another one. But at least I tried it. So what kind of new hobby or something that you've picked up just to try? Might as well, right? I'd love to hear about those. Okay, so I do have a few announcements to make. First, I am missing just a few of my friends' performance tasks. So if you could send those in to me today, that'd be lovely. I do have like 2 or 3 more feedbacks that were sent in over the weekend, so I didn't get a chance to look at those to give you your feedbacks for those who turned in their performance task then. So I will be getting those out today. So if you know you're like, woo, I don't think Miss Nelson has mine, please send it to me today. Okay, and don't forget our normal class check-in time, 11:30 to 12. If you have questions about this week's homework or want me to get your kiddo started on their homework this week, just jump on there. I will be on there. Another announcement. Okay. Sorry, I'm thinking. Do I want to do that first or do that first? I'll go ahead and tell you the couple announcements first, and then I'll go over the one-pagers. Okay, so Friday I was up at our school in our classroom. Long time. We are prepping everything for the school for the end of the year, right? So with that, me and my kiddos, they were super helpful, came with me Friday, and we started cleaning out everyone's desk and lockers. We've put them all in special bags that the district purchased for us. Miss Green and Mr. Kinney are going to be sending out an email sometime this week. I think she said she was hoping by Wednesday she'd be sending this email out. So don't mark your calendars yet, but you know, because things change. But that, and the letter is just going to consist of telling you how we're going to end the year as far as you guys getting your kids stuff, you know, because I know what they want, their pencil boxes back and those scissors and crayons, and I threw in extra crayons in there for you guys, and all your books, your handwriting books, your writing folders, everything has been, if you left your jacket in your locker, it is in your bag. Erin, I remember yours. You had a jacket, a gray little hoodie. So if mom's been looking for it, it's in your bag. Trenton, I know you left a big old water bottle, and I had undone the lid before we even left for spring break so that it wouldn't mold over. So it's in really, really perfect, good shape. So you should be able to still use that. Just like in anything, everything. If you had something in that desk or locker of yours, it is in this bag. And we had to, they're all getting organized in the gym and stuff. So at some point, as far as I know right now, it may change, like I said, so don't put this in ink in your calendar. Next Monday, the 11th, I want to say. Yes. Next Monday, May 11th, they are going to have it where they are going to start allowing cars. It's going to be a drive-through through like the gym sides. They're going to have this whole video of how they want the traffic to flow, and there's going to be teachers. We're all going to be up there at different time shifts to help with the flow, running back and forth from the gym to the cars to get you your stuff. So things like that. So as far as I know right now, kinder and first grade is on Monday, May 11th. But like I said, they're going to be sending out a note on hopefully Wednesday is what her goal was, what she said on Friday, to come and get your stuff. Also, though, when you are coming to come get your goodie bag of fun school stuff, if you've got your library books that you checked out, we need those returned. So please look inside your backpacks. And if it has a little scanning barcode that says Chisholm Ridge Elementary School Library, please, if you can, return that. Bring it with you when you come Monday, May 11th to come get your school bag full of stuff. And we'll do a little swap-a-roo, okay? Like I said, I don't know any other details other than that. They're going to be sending out more information mid-week. So after they send out the information, if you have questions, you can ask me, because then I'll know just as much as you. So right now we all know that May 11th is the date for kinder and first grade to do the drive-through by the gym area, to swing by and come and get your kiddos things. Okay. I think that was it on that one. Okay, so let me get going on our one pager. So I don't want to keep y'all here forever. I know it's Monday. All right, so for our ELA-R one pager here, you're going to be listening to Miss Buchek read Sylvester and the Magic Pebble. Okay, and you're going to model the think aloud strategy, things that we've been doing for a couple weeks now. Okay, and we're still looking for topics or main idea, I think is what we're really focusing on this week, is the main idea. And most of the time, those are just a quick one sweet word that sums up the whole entire story. So like family, love, friendliness, happiness, things like that. It kind of sums up what the whole mood of the point of the story was, okay? And then you have some questions discussed with your family, okay? So today you're just listening to Miss Buchek. Get that started for us for the week. In science, we are switching over to plants. Not animals anymore, you guys. We are switching over to plants. So your first thing to do is you're going to listen to a video of moi going over our vocabulary words and things like that. I did find a fun song. I know I haven't posted a song in a long time, and I know my kids like to sing, but I don't like putting like songs that I know y'all are going to be like, yeah, that's too babyish for us. This one is adorable. It even got stuck in Emma's head. She was, Okay, so it's a really cute song. Nothing to do with the song other than just learn it and love it. Okay, and then you get to draw, what is your favorite plant or flower? And if you don't have one, invent one, okay? But don't forget to label it, okay? And those instructions are on your one page. For math, Mr. Kuhn has a video for you to watch. One pager, math. We're learning about shapes again, about their, excuse me, about sides and angles, things like that, okay? Hexagons, squares, circles, vertices, rhombus, all those fun shapes, okay? So that is for day one. I do get to see a few of my friends today. I'll get to see Elena, Valentina, and Bella, okay? So other than that, I know that was a lot of announcements. I hope that I covered it all. I don't know. I learned a lot on Friday, and then I've been busy all weekend. Okay, well, I love you guys, and I miss you tons, and maybe I'll get to see you next Monday. I don't know where I'll be, where they're going to place me, or what time I get to work, but as soon as I find out, I will let you know, so maybe hopefully I can see your sweet faces one last time on like in real, not camera. I love seeing you guys on camera, but I love getting to see you guys. Okay, so all right, let's end with our Chisholm Ridge Creed for this Monday. Here at Chisholm Ridge, we will show respect for each other, embrace our day with heart and soul, and give our best to meet our goals. Bye, guys.